Now I want us to download another character, and I honestly only want his FX, but get Paragon, Gideon, and Adam. Then under his FX, particles, blah 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 blah, portal FX. The one I'm interested is this one right here. We get this fancy portal effect. And the first thing we want to notice about this, when we pop that on the ground, that's kind of not where we want it. We want it to be up a little bit. How far up? So it's currently at a location of 200. How far up do I want to go? To really see the full effect, I'd say 350. So just keep in mind that we want it to be 150 units higher than the ground. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come to our magic, and we're going to create another spell. Let me look at this real quick here. Okay, yeah. Anyways, we're going to create a new blueprint actor, and we're going to call this our portal. Now, go in here. And anyways, grab this portal effect. And make sure you don't put it on the default route. Now remember that location we put before? 150. Pop that there. So now if I come here and I spawn a portal on the ground here, it's going to spawn a portal in the right spot. And we will be able to bend this space-time continuum. Now, how are we going to use this portal, and where are we going to spawn to? Well, I'm going to make it simple for now, and I'm going to go to my player start. How do I do that one again? Okay, here, I'm trying to remember. Okay, I have the player start selected. I can't remember how to make a reference to that in the blueprint. Portal entrance. No. remember what I'm doing now. Okay. We want to get the actor of class. The player start. There we go. So here's what we're going to do. We need to add a box collider in here. And let's raise this thing up a bit. And I want to make it something like this. And so, my idea behind this is when the player walks into this zone, they will then be teleported to that location. So, component begin overlap. If it detects our player, cast to character. So if we detected the character, we are going to set actor location and rotation VR. Okay, following me so far? Now, before we do that, we have to get the location of our player start. Get actor transform. Split the structure pin. Plug in the location. Plug in the rotation. Teleport. It's very important that you put this teleport flag in here. Now, after we do that, we are going to destroy the portal. Let's give it a moment. Okay. So now here's our portal. If I cast it out here, it's going to pop up there. And it's going to always teleport me back to the start location. Now, how are we going to cast this? Let's go to our wand, And it's pretty much the exact same thing as the lightning spell. So let's go like this. Control D, duplicate. And let's Doctor Strange this. I'm going to take the circle. Put this up here. Hold up. I'm going to do this a different way. I'm going to put this here. Grab this. Whoop. Our wand spell is going to get pretty big here. So we're going to go like this. So take this circle, and when I do that, I need to make a new spell cost. Portal spell cost. Control. Oops, sorry. Ugh. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, control. There we go. So now we have a portal spell. Make it actually cast the portal spell. Let's make sure this is correct. Okay, yeah, let's save everything. There we go. Okay. Now, what's our portal spell cost? Okay, I already did that. So, now, this is just a one-way portal spell, but oh well, it gets you back to your start location. Let's test it out, shall we? Okay. So now, oops. Grab this. And first let's go get rid of these guys.
Who else wants to try? I've not had this much fun in ages.
Oh, come on, you.
1,000 gold talons for the first warrior to strike me.
Oh, I don't have enough for my
Come on,
lightning
coward.
spell.
Here I stand.
Fireball. Wait, how much did I make lightning cost?
1,000 gold talons for the first warrior to strike me.
Okay. So now I'm gonna wander far away. Ooh, one other thing here. our mana potion. Now I should be able to just go like that and yep, put that on my belt. I can come out here and I can practice some more magic. Okay. Oh no, now I don't have enough mana to cast anything. Now I don't have enough mana to cast anything. Pop. Now I do. So I want to come far away just for fun here. And now we can do a little Doctor Strange. We go circle. Oh, whoop, I hit my desk here. Okay. Let's, there we go. So I think I missed and there's one back at 0, 0, 0, but let's go see. Oh, it sure did. There's another portable here. But I can't get that one. But yeah, did you see that? We just teleported all the way back here to our start location. But I'm not sure why. Let's look at this again. Portal spell. Only as it didn't get a location. So it should have projected it to the navigation mesh. And so for some reason it didn't get a nav point here. Anywhere on the screen is where a spell can be cast. So, for instance, if I hit this wall, there's a chance that it'll hit here, but there's also a chance that it'll come here. It'll go to the nearest point. Right, so if I hit this wall, the lightning will come all the way up here. Keep that in mind. Okay, I guess that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.